How to fix Google Meet camera not opening on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Meet camera not opening on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find apps and then click apps again, and here type Meet and here you will find it. Click on it. Now click force stop and click storage, then clear cache, and that's it. Go to permissions. Here we'll find the camera, click on it, click allow, and if you found it on allow, just make it deny. Now go open Google Meet and go back here and allow it. Now your problem will be fixed. Just restart your phone and try again. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.